cost of soap is nothing to me compared to the family that I've created in that network and with the friendships that I've created. So my name's Garrett Bosqui. I live in St. Louis, Missouri. Got my wife, Allison, and my son, Jackson. I've worked for my father since I was about 12, 13 years old. My father started a fleet cleaning company back in 1979. I liked the lifestyle my father lived, but I had the dream of just taking that business over and continuing that after he retired. And I did step into that role for a while, and I ran that business. And I enjoyed it, but I just needed something different. I actually met AC and Karen at an event in Tampa. Heard about Softwash Systems. AC was just launching the chemical line, and I actually went to the first Softwash-a-palooza. Didn't really jump on board right away. I kind of wanted to get out of my dad's shadow and do something on my own. And it was actually kind of a crazy thing. AC actually had called me in 2015 and just said, hey, we've grown, some things have changed, you've got some things on your website that I need you to take down. I said, yeah, no problem, but I've been seeing a lot of what's been going on lately, and I'd like to have a conversation. And we had that conversation. He flew in, got the equipment, he helped me put it all together, put it in the back of my truck, and in 4 days, Maverick Softwash was born. I was going through a divorce. I had a lot going on personally, and it was just kind of like an act of God that AC just happened to come back into my life. So, one of the first things AC and I did was we got that 2,000 square foot shop that was 30 minutes away from my parents' shop. And so I started becoming like my own man, my own businessman. Wanting my father to be able to retire, I stepped back into his business, and I was trying to run two businesses at once that were 30 minutes apart. It was very stressful on his and I's relationship. It was stressful on my marriage. The hardest thing, I think, for me was to move out of my parents and into my own space. But AC saying, no, you need to move your business into your own space. And he goes, then you can grow, we can develop you, we can turn you into a leader, and we can grow your business so that you can grow yourself, so that you can win back your wife. I gave myself 18 months to make that happen, and it took exactly 18 months to the day for me to get her back. They moved me through Softwash Systems very quickly. I was very, very quickly teaching Discover Softwashes and sales boot camps. We would actually teach sales boot camps at my office in St. Louis. But, between AC coming in, and him and Karen speaking into my life, and really trying to keep me built up, and even when I wanted to tear myself down, I couldn't have done it without him. Softwash Systems has always been there through the highs and lows. AC and Karen have always spoken to my life. When you have somebody that cares for you that much, that calls in to check on you, calls you on your birthdays, in my opinion, you have to stay faithful to that. And I will never leave Softwash Systems.